test. And we'll have a look at the story of the match. This is how it all started. And from minute one, it was dominance from the Reds. They were so desperate to perform tonight. And they did. Emmanuel being the creator.
The first one. Again, Figo Sendai had to be replaced due to injury. Shin setting up. And Turin just didn't get that touch. And this one, he got it perfectly. That was a goal number 2. Took a little deflection. Sheen, always very effective with the left channel.
Alan Erson created a few chances, but he was frustrated. And Ronnie Wilson's solid challenge, picked up a yellow, unnecessary. But then Tamai Klingdo, he's been such a livewire.
They tried to come back, pulling from behind with Shin. Great step over the Spaniard, Arana. Ashish, agitated. But look at that. Daniel, just at the stroke of the half-time, got the third one. And he's the one who scored in the back-to-back matches. 2 in the last season and 1 here.
And the second half was nothing different. Kinsai Concept tried to make it more and more, and he did eventually.
Even the second half, Shillong Lajong stepped up. They kept the pressure and kept scoring. It was endless pressure.
Hearing that was given as an own goal, but not really sure because that was going in anyway. And then coming off, Douglas Tardin got his second before coming off rather.
Some little pressure. Noba running, standing like a rock of Gibraltar. And this one was night. And here was a moment again. And this one was converted well by Arana to the left of Anand Shah.
Tremiki Lamurong coming off the bench, he was very, very impressive. This exchange with Puam, it could have been more. Puam checked back. And Hadi Nongri just missed. But later on, he did compensate for it.
He came as a substitute. Was booked for that little show of frustration. And this was a great one. Lovely header. And Hadi finding himself at the end of the pass. Brilliant header. 8-0 was the margin. 5th highest victory in the I-League history ever. Very shortly, they reached the top half of the table on 5 points with a goal difference of +6 because of this staggering scoreline. Still